All right, well, greetings, my friends. Welcome back here to Dave McDonald's Quarantunes. I hope you're having a good day. I know I am. This is our time to get together and draw a character or two, break up our e-learning day together. Maybe we're homeschooling at home and this is a nice little break for your teacher, your mom, your dad, whoever's teaching you at home. So I hope you're enjoying these. Hey, I did want to share, again, remember last week I was talking about how I'm starting to enjoy coloring again. I am really having fun coloring these drawings once we're done drawing them. So take a look at this from last week. Oh yeah, the birthday party Saurus. Remember him? He loves to go to birthday parties. And he brings his own birthday candles. They're on his tail. Based on the Stegosaurus, right? And then we created the ice cream volcano. I drew chocolate ice cream. Is that what you like? Chocolate ice cream? Or maybe it's strawberry. Maybe a different flavor. Okay, so I had fun really adding, had a lot of fun adding color to this. And I just thought I'd share. And I wonder if you colored yours after you were done. Okay, it's a lot of fun. Okay, moving on to today's art. We are going to go ahead. I've already warmed up because I think I'm going to draw two characters today. Two wacky characters. One is an oval shape. So go ahead and draw an oval shape character. Again, our oval shape is one of our warm-up shapes, right? Another oval inside. And maybe a half of an oval on the other side. Two eyeballs. We won't see the other eye. We'll just see about half of it. And then underneath, a smile, like a little curved line. And hey, we could open up that mouth, just do this. Little U shape, open up, she's talking. Yes, it's going to be a she. Little curved line at the bottom for a tongue. Okay, maybe some eyelids and some eyelashes. And how about some hair? So just do that curved line this way, curved line that way. And we'll create some hair that goes into pigtails. Just do your curved line like that. The other side, maybe you only see that part of it. So there's a little egg character. I like to make egg characters a lot. If you're in my school programs, you know I like to make egg characters, and you know I also like to make egg puns. Oh yes, I think they're excellent. And this is when the eye rolling starts, right? Yes, I think they're very exciting to be drawing with you today. Exactly. Her name is Sunny Side Up. What does that mean? Sunny Side Up. Maybe ask mom or dad if you're not quite sure why I made that name Sunny Side Up if she's an egg. Oh boy, Mr. Dave. Are you getting exhausted from my egg puns? Well, try to keep up with this drawing exercise. Won't go on too much longer. Now I'm cracking myself up. Oh, a double pun. Cracking myself up. Unintentional pun, 10-yard penalty going that way. Having way too much fun. You've been inside too long, Mr. Dave. Okay, our other character, we've got little Sunny Side Up there. Let's create this other character based on a triangle shape. A triangle shape. This character is going to be a chicken. We base it on the triangle shape, okay? So make a little triangle shape here. The beak will be right about here, so just give yourself a light, flat oval right there. We'll turn that into a beak. Eyeballs, big eyeball here, oval, and then once again, we won't see the whole oval. I love to make oval eyes. Have Have you discovered that yet? All the time. Yep. Well, what do you expect? Stop! Stop! Stop with the egg puns. Okay, please don't turn off the video. You'll do fine. Okay. Here's the expression that the chicken has. Just upside down letter U's, as if she's smiling, talking, in a good mood, very cheerful. Okay. They have that comb on the top of their heads, right? That's kind of like, that's just some wavy lines. Watch, wavy, wavy, wavy. And what will that beak look like? Your beak could go up and then to a point, and then up into a smile. And then the bottom part, oh, maybe, well, they're talking, so let's do this. Where this line ends, make a little curved line like that, and then watch, right up to the back side of that, right up to the back side of the beak. And that becomes an open beak. And then they've got this funny little thing that hangs down under the beak. Maybe look up that and see what that's called. That's your assignment. Find out what they call that. Okay, we will be inking this shortly, so I'm just going to do this lightly. Look how I use there's my elbow macaronis for my feet, and then just some real skinny ovals for feet. See that? And a tail. Let's see what kind of tail. We can just, oh, short tail. And elbow macaroni up here. This chicken is gesturing with its arm or wing. So elbow macaroni for the arm. Watch this. Put your pencil here at the end and down, loop, down, loop, down, loop, and you're done. Okay. Maybe some motion lines. Well, okay, we'll leave the motion lines in there. Okay, that's good. Oh, let's see. Sunny side up, and what can we name this character? Oh, we'll have to think. Maybe you could think of a name for that. Is there a silly name that you could come up with? Let's see. Chicken, hen, Henrietta. Could be Henrietta. Let's see. Chicken, Meg. Let's name it Meg with the EGG. EGG egg. Meg and sunny side up. That's pretty funny. And then behind them, the horizon line. And let's see. Let's do this. I think I've got something in mind here. There's a doorway here. Enter. Okay, quickly I'm going to start to ink my characters here. So if you're going to ink along with me, go ahead and pick up your ink pen, whatever kind of pen you want. See, inking is kind of tracing. It's not tracing exactly because it's not tracing all the time exactly because sometimes you want to give it just a slightly different shape than when you kind of penciled that. Right? Okay. Eyelid. Leave that little reflection, a little white dot in the pupil. Again, that just gives a little, again, a hint of reflection from the light. It does add a little bit of life to your characters as well. Oval at the bottom, that's the tongue. Fill in around the tongue. Speaking, there's just some little lines that indicate some speech. Okay, let's see here. For our shadow, we just fill this flat oval in as if the character has a little bit of movement, right? A little movement would be maybe some motion lines like this. not standing still, in motion, right? Okay, there we go with that one. Let's see here. Horizon line, doorway, I wonder what's behind that door. All right, here we go. Comb. Did you comb your hair today? Does it look like a chicken when you wake up? Sometimes it does, doesn't it? I remember those days. They were a long time ago, but I remember. Bedhead, right? Waking up with funny looking hair just because you slept on it. Beak, and then remember, curved line to open it up, back up to the back side of the beak. Don't forget, look up what that's called. Tell mom or dad what you found. And I could, instead of just drawing a straight line, I could draw like feathers. Loop, loop, and back underneath. Tail. That's kind of a funny looking chicken tail. Another elbow macaroni, 3 ovals, little shadow on the top part of the leg. Again, they're underneath the body, so that adds a little bit of dimension to our character, right? Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so there's our characters. And let's see here. This pen, we'll write over the door, enter. Now don't forget, the pencil that's underneath there I'm going to erase so you won't see that. How about this? Our characters are talking to one another. Where's my number 8 pen? Oh my word, I can't reach my number 8 pen. I'll just use this one. Our characters are speaking. This character is saying, after you. This character then says, oh, no, please. Go ahead. And then she replies, I insist. They're arguing about who goes into the door first. Well, Mr. Dave, why are they doing that? Let's see. After you. Oh no, please go ahead. I insist. And you might wonder what this drawing is. Why are they saying that? I'm going to grab my eraser here and start to erase the pencil lines that we started with. Some of those basic shapes, right? Ovals and circles. Why are they having this conversation? It doesn't even make sense. Does it? It might. Have you figured it out yet? Do you know what we're actually talking about here? After you. No, please go ahead. I insist. It's the first recorded incident of the question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? We might not ever know because they're not giving in. One is they're just being so polite to one another. They're not going in. After you. No, please. I insist. You go first. Well, if they keep that up, we'll never know who came first, the chicken or the egg. Stuff like this makes me laugh. Does it make you laugh? Or am I just really silly? Sunny side up. Getting really big with my big marker here. Meg. That is extraordinary. No, it's extraordinary. Oh my. I wonder if there's a vaccine for bad puns. If there is, you might want to look into it and let me know, because I seem to have a bad case. Right?